Hi there. Let's talk about prepping your home for sale. Even in a hot seller's market like today's, it's still important to make a good first impression on potential buyers. Taking the time up front to prep your house appropriately can bring in the greatest return on your investment. One of the first things to do is price it right. Your goal is to draw attention from competing buyers and let bidding wars push the final sales price up. Pricing your house too high to begin with could put you at a disadvantage by discouraging buyers and even making them wonder if you're even serious about selling. Your agent can help you choose a price that reflects the current market value. Second, while it may sound simple, keeping your house clean is key to making sure it gets the attention it deserves. Remember to take special care with the bathrooms and kitchen, making sure everything shines. Before each buyer visits, look around and see what needs your attention. Wash the dishes, make the beds, and put away any toys or dog dishes. Doing these simple things can reduce any potential distractions for buyers. Next, make it easy to show. Giving buyers the opportunity to see your house on their schedule can be a true game changer. Making your house available as often as possible, especially evenings and weekends, helps create opportunities for more buyers to fall in love with your house. Finally, it's important for buyers to see all the possible ways they can make your house their next home. The goal is to create a blank canvas so buyers can project their own visions of living there and loving it. An easy first step is to remove personal items like pictures, awards, and sentimental belongings. Spending time on this step can really pay off, as staging a home tends to increase the dollar value between 6 and 10%. Bottom line, to make the most of today's seller's market, avoid the temptation to skip over the essential preparation steps. Let's connect to discuss all the ways you can maximize your home sale. I'm Melissa Waterwall, real estate advisor, and I'm here to help with all things real estate. If you've got questions, I've got answers. Call, text, or email me anytime to see how I can help you. See you again soon.